Hi there, getting back to note bending, we looked at hole 1 where I recommend that you use the 4 notes, like piano notes, available on hole 1 in a sequence to try and hone your bending skills. I'd also recommend you have one hand on your keyboard, so you definitely need a keyboard for this. Could just be a, charity shop keyboard or a grand piano or even an app, but I think it really, really helps. So we had, that was on hole 1. Draw, bend it down, blow, go back to the bend, then start again. So it was D, D flat, C, D flat, repeating. Now the same thing is true of hole 4, an octave above. But instead of this sort of big the size of the change in your mouth is bigger on a longer reed. So it's smaller on a shorter reed. So when you go from hole 1 to hole 4, you feel like the movement is modified and it's much less of a movement. So instead of E-or, it's more like E-yeah. It's the same movement but modified. So again, it's draw it in, bend it down, and retain that shape, that bent shape, the that shape, where you get the bend. Retain that shape, breathe out, then breathe in again, and then release everything. So you get those 4 notes. And then try taking the harmonica out of your mouth between notes. Maybe play it twice. Or any number of times. And if you can have a finger on a keyboard, that's really going to help you. Okay, so that's hole 4. Okay, do some work on it.